If you are over 50 and you feel colder than ever before, you have cold arms, you have cold feet, today I'm going to help you a lot. Most women think this is just about normal aging, but very often it's its circulation slowing down. And here is the uncomfortable truth. You can have normal blood tests and still have weak blood flow, because circulation is not just about your blood results, it's about your blood vessel walls, your nitric oxide levels, your inflammation, and how thick and sticky your blood becomes over time. The good news is there is one thing that can support several of those areas at once. And in my career of over 26 years working with the patient with low circulation, it always is the best to find the natural cure and natural remedy that really can help you. And right now in the world, there are over a couple hundreds of those natural remedies that can help you. Today, I'm going to show you the one. The real problem, blood flow changes after 50. After 50, especially after menopause, estrogen level drop. And that hormonal change affects your blood vessels directly. Vessels become less flexible, microcirculation becomes weaker, tissue receives less oxygen and fewer nutrients. That is why you feel tired after a simple task. Why stairs feel harder than before, why your legs can feel full and heavy by evening. And your brain feels it too. The brain is a high-demand organ. It needs consistent, stable blood flow. So when circulation drops, you don't feel it in your legs, you feel it in your mood, your focus, and your memory. And one of the most common mistakes that every woman do, or most women do of course, is going to be try to find chemical solution for those kind of problems that never work because they have so many side effects. And you also use many form of supplements that you find all on the line in your local store, and you don't know how to use them correctly. Many women reach for random circulation supplements, or they drink one special tea for the 3 days and then give up. Others do only one good thing, they walk more, but keep the same diet that silently inflames and stiffens their vessels. Some chase quick fix energy drinks, sugar, extra coffee. This gives a short lift, then comes the crash. Better circulation is rarely one magic trick. One specific herb can be strong foundation. And one of the best natural remedies in the whole world for circulation is the one plant that is called Ginkgo Biloba. Ginkgo Biloba is one of the ancient natural remedies that we know for the thousands and thousands of years. The tea is Ginkgo Biloba made from ginkgo leaf. Ginkgo is known for one main reason. It supports healthy blood flow. Its leaves contain powerful antioxidant compounds, flavonoids and terpenoids. These help reduce oxidative stress, calm your blood level inflammation, and support microcirculation, especially in the small vessels. That matters a lot after 50, because inflammation and oxidation damage blood vessels quietly, long before any official diagnosis appear. And what most women don't realize it, all those circulatory problems become a lot long before. Usually 5-10 years before you even realize it, your blood vessels work less efficiently, your heart is not pumping blood correctly, and all of those problems usually come 5-10 years before you even realize it. When blood flow improves, oxygen delivery improves. This can feel like energy slowing returning. It can also feel like your mind is clearer, not because ginkgo is stimulant, but because your brain is finally being fed better. Some research had examined ginkgo for cognitive symptoms, especially when circulation in the brain is reduced. To be very clear, this is not cure for dementia and it's not guarantee for the memory. But if your issues in the blood flow and microcirculation, ginkgo can be relevant because it works on that foundation. And right now you can find Ginkgo Biloba tea where very easily. You can also find Ginkgo Biloba extract, and in this part of the video I'm going to explain a little bit about the tea and about the extract that you can buy it in your local organic healthy food store. Here is important part: ginkgo is often more consistent as a standardized extract. Tea can still be helpful, but dosing is less precise, so using tea as a gentle daily support habit. Option A, ginkgo tea. Use dry ginkgo leaf from the reputable sources. Steep 1 to 2 tablespoons in the hot water for about 10 minutes. Drink 1 cup daily earlier in the day. Do not start late at the night, because some women feel a little more alert. Option B, standardized extract, is more reliable. Typical daily amounts used about 120 to 240 milligrams split into 2 doses. Many people use 60 to 120 milligrams in the morning and the same amount early afternoon. And usually when I recommend to my patients, when you use standardized extract, the minimum that you need to take each day is going to be 4 to 6 weeks. This is minimum, usually a bit more. And when you drink the tea, usually I'm recommended 30 days in a row with 30 days rest period. For the most people is going to be perfect. The big safety rule: who must be careful? This part matters more than any potential benefits. Ginkgo can influence bleeding risk in some people. Be very careful if you take blood thinners and antipalliative medication. Be cautious if you use aspirin regularly or take NSAID painkillers like ibuprofen often. If you have surgery planned, do not start ginkgo on your own. Always speak with your doctor first. If you notice dizziness, headaches, stomach upset, and the skin rash, stop taking it and discuss with professional. And this video is educational and does not replace individual medical care. For the last 26 years, I work with the patient all around the world, and I always recommend that call our office. If you're in any part of the world right now, we can make you special kind of natural remedies and special nutritional programs designed for your needs. And if you want to use correctly Ginkgo Biloba for circulation and any other problems, call our office and we will discuss it thoroughly and we will give you the perfect solution. What makes this circulation tea work better? If you want ginkgo to be truly help support circulation for the both sides, first reduce vessels inflammation, less ultra-processed food, fewer sugar spikes and less fried or damaged oils. Second, support nitric oxide naturally. This is basic physiology, not hype. Food that supports nitric oxide include beets and the leafy greens, arugula, spinach and the beetroot. And hydration matters more than most people think. Thicker blood flows worse. Many women drink less water as they age. And if you on this basic, ginkgo become more effective because it's no longer fighting against daily habits. Here's what most people miss. Some women take ginkgo and feel nothing. Not because ginkgo is weak, but because the main problem is not circulation. Sometimes it is blood sugar swings at night, sometimes in slowing thyroid, sometimes iron or B12 deficiency, and sometimes weak vein walls. A vein problem, another blood flow problem. And this can look almost the same at the surface: cold feet, heavy legs, fatigue, and the brain fog. In the next couple of weeks, I will give you a lot more information about circulation and natural remedies and early warning signs about circulation. You just need to stay with me and follow me each day.